Vice President Sara Duterte says the current chaos in the Senate reflects the kind of leadership under the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Jason Rubrico reports.
Leadership ng administrasyon.
In an interview in General Santos City, Vice President Sara Duterte said the conflict in the Senate leadership is a reflection of a broader national problem regarding the direction and leadership of the Marcos administration.
Yung kaguluhan sa Senado ay nagsasalamin ng leadership ng administrasyon. Yung kaguluhan at kawalang direksyon ng ating bansa ay nagsasalamin ng kung ano yung klase ng leadership meron nakaupo sa palasyo at ng ating administrasyon. Dahil lahat naman ng tao nagre-recognize sila ng kung ano yung direksyon ng isang leader. Pero kapag wala yung direksyon, wala yung vision, ay nagkakanya-kanya talaga ang mga tao.
Vice President Duterte has no specific message for the opposing factions in the Senate. However, she emphasized that the senators must unite as a single institution and focus on their priorities and mandate under the Constitution.
Sila ay hindi dalawang grupo kundi isang institusyon ay dapat pag-usapan noong 24 kasama yung mga nakulong, kasama yung nagtatago kung ano ba dapat prioridad ng kanilang institusyon at ano yung kanilang trabaho na naaayon sa ating saligang batas.
On the issue regarding the legality of the Senate's quorum and leadership, Duterte stated she holds no legal opinion on the matter. She added that it would be best for the Supreme Court to provide clear guidance on the matter. Meanwhile, regarding her upcoming impeachment trial, the Vice President said she is leaving all preparations entirely to her lawyers, adding that she will simply follow the strategy of her legal team.
Kasi ako bilang abogado, meron din akong mga iniisip, meron din akong mga gustong gawin, pero sa aking estado na ngayon ako ay client, kinlaro ko yun sa mga abogado na gawin nating maliit lang yung team para madaling makapag-usap at kung ano yung sa tingin nila pinakatama at pinakamabisa at pinakamagaling na paraan ng kanilang defense ay susunod lang ako bilang kliyente nila.
Reporting for Newsline World, I am Jason Rubrico, SMNI News.